Okay, we need to interpret this definite integral where MR represents the marginal revenue in dollars per item for selling Q items. Okay, so as you're looking at this as a function, Q is our variable that's being input, right? That's the number of items. And then MR of Q, the marginal revenue, if I were to graph that, it would be in dollars per item. It would go along this axis. All right, and whatever your graph looks like, your end goal on this is to figure out this definite integral going from 0 to 150. So those are values of items, right? The bounds of integration. But our goal would be figure out what the area of this region is. Now I drew it and it's not a box, okay? It's not a rectangle. But what we want to do is, if we were to calculate the area, maybe we could split it up using a Riemann sum, something along those lines. Let's figure out what our units would be. All right, if it was a nice straight, constant marginal revenue going across here, we could calculate the area by saying length times width. But in any case, it's going to be dollars per item multiplied by number of items. In our case, that's for selling the first 150 items, right? Going from 0 items and selling 150 of them. But look at our units. They work out that items cancels out with items, so it's going to be the total money is what our computation is going to give us. So the total money for selling 150 items. All right, I get that it's tough to, as you're trying to wrap your head around a lot of different things in this. Just take your time. I say draw it on an axis, and remember, it's always trying to find the area underneath the curve, between the curve and the x-axis, or q-axis in our case. All right, hope this helps. Good luck.